Moving on, FIR registered against a DMK functionary Bhaskaran, this over allegations of sexual harassment against a woman. FIR mentions that a case was registered under BNS section 64, which is punishment for rape. AIDMK and BJP have hit out strongly at the Stalin government, saying DMK cadres are openly committing crimes in the state. This is the latest coming in on DMK leader Bhaskaran, an important functionary of the DMK, where an FIR has also been registered against him, primarily over allegations of sexual harassment against a woman. And this has given DMK's adversaries, BJP and AIDMK, all the reason to slam the DMK, saying that such crimes are being openly carried out by DMK functionaries in broad daylight. Remember, the FIR mentions the case registered under BNS section 64, which is punishment for rape. Let me cut across to Anaga to get further details on this DMK Neta Bhaskaran, of the allegations against him, and how BJP and AIDMK are slamming the DMK over this.
Well, in fact, Kvesha, the accused in question here, Mr. Bhaskaran, in fact, we can take a look at those pictures that he can be seen posing with Chief Minister Stalin and other ministers from the DMK. So it's very clear that this man is from the DMK. In fact, there are also reports that are surfacing that he used to be a former president of a city, of a town in Viluppuram district. All the more proof that he is indeed from the DMK party. And in fact, the FIR alleges that this man, Mr. Bhaskaran, he has forcefully stripped the victim's clothes off and then also filmed the act, and then later went on to use this particular footage to threaten her and blackmail her to keep coming back to him at his beck and call for sexual favors. That's the kind of allegation that we are looking into, that's very clearly mentioned in the FIR by this victim, Vijay Lakshmi. In fact, what we're also learning through the FIR, that Vijay Lakshmi and Bhaskaran were going to be neighbors. She was building a house with her own hard-earned money. Then this Bhaskaran stepped inside under the promise of getting her a continuous supply of raw materials. That's how he took her number and then continuously kept calling her. Then on one day at a night, he forcefully took her to a secluded area and then stripped her off, sexually harassed her, and then filmed the entire act, which he used then to continuously blackmail her. And now this report has come up with the opposition parties, the BJP and the ADMK, calling for immediate arrest and action to be taken against this man, Mr. Bhaskaran, and actually questioning the DMK government about the failure in law and order in Tamil Nadu.
All right, Anaka, many thanks for getting us the latest. We'll keep coming back to you for further updates.